Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK and our topic is Dance of India. Dance is India comprises the varied style of dances and as with the other aspect of India culture different form of the dances originated in different parts of India developed according to the local traditions and also imbibed elements for other parts of the country. So these dance form emerge from Indian traditions, epics and historical methodology. So students, we are going to learn in detail that what types of dance in India. First, Kathak. Kathak is one of the eight major form of the Indian classical dance. Kathak is the principal classical dance of North India. Here we can find the photograph of Kathak dance. So Kathak is one of the eight major form of the Indian classical dance and the Kathak is the principle of classical dance in North India. So children, everyone understand about this slide. So we are learn next slide. Here we can find the photographs of Kathak dance. So Kathak dance are traditionally related to stories and moral tales of gods and goddesses. So here we can find the Kathak dance is depends on the traditionally stories and moral tales of gods and goddesses and the character from the Ramayana and Mahabharata. So the Kathak is also depends on the story of Ramayana and Mahabharata. The earliest form were the stories told by the brands and embellished with the gesture and facial expression. So the Kathak dance is depends on the facial expressions and also a story of Ramayana and Mahabharata. So children, everyone understand about this slide. So now we will going to learn next slide. Here we can find the photographs of Kathak and it is a different in emotions and different expressions. Over the times music was added and the gesture and the movement grew into the dances. The Kathak dance is which contains both the Hindu and Muslim trains include the narrative elements often from the tale of the Hindu deities, the Krishna and the Radha. The story from the Mahabharata. So here we can find the Kathak is also a traditional dance, and it is depends on the story of Ramayana and Mahabharata, and also Krishna and Radha. So childrens, everyone understand about this slide. So now we will going to learn next. Bihu. Here we can find the photograph of Bihu. The Bihu is a popular folk dance in performed during the Bihu festival. So Bihu is celebrated in Assam. So Assam is famous for Bihu. Bihu dance is celebrated in Assam. And also out of the three Bihu festivals in Bihu dance is performed during the Rangoli Bihu. So here we can see the Bihu is performed on Rangoli Bihu. The Bihu dance is also related to Assam and in Assam Bihu is famous. So children, now we will learn next slide. The team Bihu is also used to imply Bihu dance, otherwise called Bihu Nas, and Bihu folk songs also called the Bihu Geet. So Bihu folk song is called Bihu Geet and the team Bihu is used to imply the Bihu dance and called Bihu Nas. Okay, so childrens, we can say a Bihu dance and Bihu Nas, and folk song is also called Bihu Geet. So childrens, everyone understand this slide. Now next, Bihu is popular folk dance associated with the state of Assam. So in Assam, Bihu dance is famous. So in India, and it is a performed generally during the Bihu festival. So Bihu dance is festival of Bihu, and everyone perform in Bihu festival. So childrens, everyone understand about Bihu dance. So now we will going to learn next slide. Bharatnatyam. So here we can photograph of Bharatnatyam. Here we can see a Bharatnatyam is a like a colorful dance. So Bharatnatyam is a major form of Indian classical dance, and that originated thousands of the years ago. Here we can see the Bharatnatyam is a classical dance, and it is a 1000 years ago. Bharatnatyam is the oldest classical dance traditions in India. So Bharatnatyam is oldest classical dance and tradition in India. Here we can find the Bharatnatyam is a different types of dance, and we can see it is a very colorful dance. So here we can find the Bharatnatyam. It was a narrated in a temples and the court of southern India since ancient times. So in ancient times we can find the Bharatnatyam, and it is one of the 8 form of the dance recognized by the Sangeet Natak. So Academy and the express South Indian religions, themes and spiritual ideas. So it is related to South Indian religious and also spiritual ideas. It is depends on spiritual ideas, and particularly of Shivam and Vishwam and Shaktim. So here we can see a Shivam, Vishwam and Shaktim is depends on Bharatnatyam dance. So children's, everyone can understand about this slide. So now and Bharatnatyam. So now we will going to learn a next slide. Bhangra. So here we can see a photograph of Bhangra, and Bhangra is a type of a traditional dance of the Indian subcontinent's origin in the Mahaja area of Punjab. So Bhangra is also related to Punjab. In Punjab, we can find the Bhangra dance, and the dance was associated with the primary with the spring harvest and festival of Vaishakhi. So in a Vaishakhi, in a Punjab people doing Bhangra dance. So childrens, now we can see next slides that Bhangra was mainly done by a Punjabi farmer and during the harvesting season. So in a Vaishakhi, Bhangra doing, and the Punjabi people and Punjabi farmer doing Bhangra. It was mainly performed while the farmers did agriculture chores, and as they did each farming activity, they would perform Bhangra moves on the spot. So here we can find the photographs of Bhangra and also Bhangra doing Punjabi farmers, and it is in Vaishakhi festival. So children, everyone understand about this Bhangra dance. So now we will going to learn next slide. This is the Dandiya. Dandiya is famous in Gujarat. So Ras or Dandiya Ras is the social religion folk dance from the Indian state of Gujarat. So Gujarat is famous for Dandiya Ras and popularly performed in the festival of Navratri. In Navratri, we find the Dandiya Ras, the dance from the not just restricted to Gujarat, it is performed in the many other states also during the festival or season of Navratri. So we can find in the Navratri so many states in performed a Dandiya Ras. So children's Dandiya Ras is a very famous festival in Gujarat. So now we will going to learn next slide. So here we can find the photographs of Dandiya Ras, and the Dandiya Ras is a performed in the honor of the goddesses Durga. So it is depends on goddesses Durga, and it is a dramatization, a mock fight between the goddess and the Maharshesura and might a demon king. So in the demon king is a mighty, and that's why the we will celebrate a Navratri or Dandiya Ras. The stick of the dance represent the sword of Durga, and both men and women usually wear the colorful costumes and while performing Garba and Dandiya. So men and women both perform the Dandiya Ras, and the girls and the woman wear a chaniya choli, and also man wears a kurta and pajama in Dandiya Ras. So Dandiya Ras is a very colorful festival, and in India, in the state of Gujarat, it is a very famous festival. So childrens, everyone understand about this Dandiya Ras. So now we will going to learn next slide. This is the Kathakali. Kathakali, here we can find the photograph of Kathakali. Kathakali is famous for the Indian dance, Indian classical dance, and the Kathakali is the major form of classical Indian dance. It is also story play genre of the art, and but destination by the elaborate color makeup and costume and the face mask that a traditionally men actor dancer wear. He can here we can find the colorful makeup and also a colorful costume wear a male actress, and also it is depends on traditionally and wear a traditional clothes, and it is also a story based play. And now here we can find the photographs of various types of photographs of Kathakali dance, and Kathakali is the Hindu performance art in the Malayalam speaking the southwestern region of India. In Kerala, we can find the Kathakali dance, and the Kathakali is the 300 years old classical dance forms of the Kerala. So we can find that Kathakali is the 300 years old classical dance, and it is from in India and in Kerala. So which includes the music and vocal performance and the hand and facial gesture to express the idea and the footwork. So here we can find the it is also depends on performance and hand and facial expressions, and also depends on footwork. So children, everyone understand about this classical dance. So now we will going to learn a next video from for the different classical dance. In India, we can see different types of dance like Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Odissi, Kuchipuri, Manipuri, Mohinittam, and Satriya. So here we can see in details that what types of dance is in a state of India. So now we will going to learn next slide. Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is the major form of India and Indian classical dance that originated thousands of years ago. We can find the Bharatnatyam is the a classical dance and also a originated in thousand years ago. And also a Bharatnatyam is the oldest classical dance and traditional in India. So Indian tradition in Bharatnatyam is a oldest form of the dance. Here we can find the photograph of Bharatnatyam and also a Bharatnatyam is the traditional dance. So here we can see it comes from the words bhava means expression, rag means music, tal means rhythm, and natya means classical theatre. So it comes from bhava, rag, tal, and natya. It is expression, music, tal, and classical theatre, rhythm and classical theatre. It is originated in South India. So it is a very traditional dance form and it is a very originated thousand years ago. So it is performance in consistent of multiple items like nritya, abhinay, and so nritya, pure dance movement. So it called nritya, pure dance movement, and it is called nritya. And abhinay means dramatic art of storytelling. Mostly in a Bharatnatyam, we can see a storytelling and also a nritya combination of natya and abhinay. So nritya, abhinay and natya, it is a combination of nritya. So we can find it is narrated in the temples and courts and also a southern India since ancient time. So in ancient time we can find the Bharatnatyam and it is one of the eight form of dance and also recognized by the Sangeet Natak Academy and express a South Indian religious theme and also a spiritual ideas and also a particularly of Shivam and Vishwam and Shaktim. So Shivam, Vishwam and Shaktim is a also a particular spiritual idea on this dance. So children, everyone understand about this slide. So now we will going to learn next. This is a picture of Kathak. So Kathak dance is one of the eight major forms of Indian classical dance. So here we can find the photograph of Kathak. Kathak is a principal classical dance of North India. We can find this. It is a classical dance and also a traditional dance. So here we can see a photograph of Kathak and Kathak is also a classical dance and it is in North India. So it is a Kathak is also delivered from the Katha means story and Kathaka means who tells the stories. So it is a story and who tells the story it delivered from the Katha and Kathakta means story and who tells the story. And also a Kathak dancer traditionally related stories and the moral tales of God and goddesses. So in a Kathak, we can find this is a story of traditionally and also a related god and goddesses from this from the character from the Ramayana and Mahabharata. So it is a traditionally related story and also put in the Ramayana and Mahabharata. So the earliest form was story told by a bards and embellished with the hands gesture and facial expression. So in a Kathak, we can find the gesture and facial expressions. So originate from the North India. It is the originate in North India, and over the time music was added and the gesture and movement grew into the dance. So Kathak in we can find a movement, gesture and facial expression. And three main gharanas or school, Lucknow, Jaipur and Banaras. So it is the main gharanas or school for the Kathak dance, and also a performance progress from show slow to fast pieces, footwork and spin. So Kathak is a mostly we can find a footwork. So here we can see a photograph of Kathak dance. So children, everyone understand about this classical dance. So now we will going to learn next slide. This is a Kathakali. Here we can find the photograph of Kathakali, and it is also a classical dance form, and Kathakali is a major form of classical Indian dance, and it is a story play genre of the art, but one of the distinguishes by the elaboratory colorful makeup. Here we can find the colorful makeup on the faces. So, in a Kathakali, it is a traditionally male actor and dancer wear a different clothes and also a wear face mask that the traditionally, and also a highly makeup and costume and costume and also face mask that is traditionally, and male actor dancer wear these particular costume and also a mask. So it is originates from the Kerala state in Malayalam. Here we can find that Kathakali is a Hindu performance art, the Malayalam speaking southwestern region of India. In a Kerala southwestern regions, it is a perform the Kathakali dance. So Kathakali dance is we can see a attractive makeup and characters and elaborates a costume. We can find the different types of costume and also a colorful costume and also a mask and different types of makeup and also a high colorful makeup. So here we can see it is based on story play and also a traditionally story, and it is performed by the male actress, and Kathakali is the 300 years old classical dance from Kerala that which include a music, vocal and performance, hand and facial gesture to express the idea, and footwork. So here we can find that in a Kathakali dance we can see a music, performance and also a facial expression. So in a performance, a combination of five elements, we can find that five elements performance, that is the natyam means expression, nrityam means dance, dhrityam means arrangement, and geetam means vocal, and the Vedyam means instruments. So it is in a Kathakali dance we can find also instruments and facial expression and also a dance form and footwork. So children, everyone understand about this classical dance. So now we will going to learn a next classical dance. What it is? It is Odissi. So Odissi is the also a classical form, and Odissi is the beautiful classical form We can see here a photograph of Odissi Nritya and originated from the Orissa. So Odissi dance is originated in Orissa and school of Odissi, Mahari, Nataki and Gotpura is a main emphasis in Tribhagi independence movements of hand and chest. So here we can find the hand and chest movement. It is a main emphasis and chuka. So basic square and stance. So music is Odissi music. We can find that in Odissi dance, Odissi music is related. So now children, we are going to learn next slide that this is a Kuchipudi. Here we can find that Kuchipudi is also a traditional dance and this in this dance men and women both are performing this dance and also a beautiful and traditionally clothes wear a beautiful and traditionally clothes and also it is originated from the Andhra Pradesh and state of South India. In the South India we can find this type particular dance and shares many common elements with the Bharatanatyam. We can find this is the common elements of these dance and also a Bharatanatyam. So unique in Kuchipudi dance. Trangadam dancer dance on the plate with the dandiyas in the hand and vessel of the water on the head. So here we can see a photograph of the Kuchipudi dance, that is a dancer dance on the plate. Here we can find the dancer is dance on the plate with a diyas in a diyas and also in the hand and vessel on the water on head. In a head we can find the vessel of the water and the in hand we can find the diya. So children, everyone understand about this slide. So now we will going to learn a next slide. This is a Manipuri. Manipuri dance is a beautiful costume. Here we can see a beautiful costume and also a traditionally costume and it originates from the Manipur state. In India we can find the Manipur state. It is a Manipuri dance and it is a performance, movement and stubble and aim at the devotions and grace. Here we can see a devotion and grace and round movements without the jackass and sharp line and dancer feet never streak the ground head. So here we can see this is a beautiful dance of Manipur and also it is related to a traditional story and a grass. So childrens, everyone understand about this beautiful dance form. So now we will going to learn a next slide and this is the Mohinittam. So here we can see a photograph of Mohinittam. So Mohinittam is come from the words Mohini. So here we can see a photograph of Mohinittam dance and it is comes from the words Mohini and tempered dress and the Atam. Atam means dance. So here we can see a graceful dance performed only by women. So Mohinittam dance is only performed by the women and it influence from the Bharatanatyam and Kathakali. Also it is influenced by Bharatanatyam and Kathakali. So here we can find a Mohinittam dance is only performed by the woman dancer. So children, everyone understand about this particular dance. So now we will going to learn next dance. This is a Satyamam. So, Satirya is originate in Assam state. Here we can find the photograph of Satirya dance, and it is a performance based on the methodology stories. So, performance by the man and woman both are both are perform this dance form, and also recognized as the of the classical dance form of India in two, 2000. So here we can find that Satya dance is also a traditional dance, and here we can see so many particular dance. So childrens, here we can see a beautiful dance of different state. So all enjoy this video. Very good. So now we will hope you will learn and enjoy this lecture. So soon we will meet with the another topic of the GK. Till then, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you, students.